Sheep are domesticated animals that belong to the species Ovis aries, and they are among the first animals to be domesticated by humans around 10,000 years ago. There are over 1 billion sheep worldwide, with the majority found in China, Australia, and New Zealand. Sheep are herbivores, primarily grazing on grass, but they will also eat shrubs, herbs, and other plant material. Sheep have a specialized stomach with 4 compartments, known as a ruminant digestive system, which helps them digest tough plant material. Sheep are social animals and prefer to live in groups, called flocks. They feel more secure and comfortable when they are together. A group of sheep is often referred to as a flock or herd, and a single sheep is called a ram, male, ewe, female, and a lamb, young sheep. Sheep are known for their excellent memory and can recognize up to 50 individual faces of other sheep and remember them for up to 2 years. The wool of a sheep grows continuously throughout its life, and it needs to be sheared at least once a year. Sheep have 360-degree vision around their bodies, allowing them to spot predators from almost any direction, except directly in front of their nose. Sheep are colorblind to red, meaning they see the world in shades of green and blue, but they can distinguish between many shades of gray. Sheep wool is used for making clothing, blankets, carpets, and insulation material. The quality of the wool varies by breed, with some producing very fine wool. Sheep are very gentle animals, but they can become aggressive if they feel threatened or cornered. Most sheep have curled horns, though some breeds, like the Polled Dorset, are naturally hornless. Sheep are known to be nocturnal feeders, meaning they tend to feed at dawn and dusk and rest during the heat of midday. The highest recorded jump by a sheep is 10 feet, 3 meters, which is rare but shows their surprising agility. Sheep have excellent hearing, which helps them detect sounds, including predators, from long distances. Sheep communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, such as bleating, and through body language like head movement and ear position. The average life expectancy of a sheep is around 10 to 12 years, though many are culled for meat or wool before reaching that age. Sheep have 2 layers of fleece, a soft undercoat called the down and a coarser outer coat called the guard hair, which protects them from harsh weather. Lambs are born after a gestation period of about 5 months, and they are typically able to stand and walk within 2 hours of birth. A ewe typically gives birth to 1 or 2 lambs per pregnancy, though twins are common. Sheep are vulnerable to parasites, like worms and lice, which can affect their health and require careful management and regular vaccinations. The breed of sheep determines the color of their wool, with most sheep having white wool, but some breeds, like the Black Welsh, produce black wool. Merino sheep are famous for their fine, soft wool and are highly valued in the textile industry. Sheep can live in a variety of environments, from mountainous regions to flat plains, as long as they have enough food and shelter from extreme weather. Sheepdogs are specially trained to herd sheep and can be highly efficient at guiding them, often working alongside humans. Sheep can be trained to follow specific commands, though they are not as easily trainable as some other animals. The earliest evidence of sheep domestication dates back to around 8000 BCE in the Middle East. Sheep can become stressed from changes in their environment or routine, which can affect their health and productivity, such as wool growth. In some cultures, sheep are considered sacred or symbolic of innocence and purity, and they often feature in religious or cultural rituals. Sheep are remarkable animals with a variety of traits that make them well suited to their roles in agriculture and culture worldwide.